Feeling like your day is a runaway train? Let's tame that chaos and turn your personal time management into a well-oiled machine using Clockify. First, head over to Clockify and sign up for a free account. It's super quick and easy. No credit card required. Once you're in, you'll see the timer page. This is where the magic happens. To start tracking, simply type in what you're working on, for example, writing blog post or learning guitar. Now, to categorize your time, use tags. Click the Add Tag button and create tags like hobbies, side projects, or even chores. Apply the relevant tag to your time entry. Clockify's reports are your secret weapon. Click on the Reports tab to see a visual breakdown of how you're spending your time. You can filter by date, range, and tags to get super specific insights. Want an even clearer picture? Connect Clockify with your Google Calendar. This will sync your track time entries directly into your calendar, visualizing your entire day. That's it. With Clockify, you can now track your time, understand your habits, and make the most of your day. Start taking control of your personal time today.